10 signs your body is lacking essential vitamins and minerals. Your body is always giving signals when something is missing. Many of us ignore these small signs until they grow into bigger health problems. Here are 10 common signs that may mean your body is lacking essential vitamins and minerals. 1. Constant fatigue and low energy. Feeling drained all the time, even after a full night's sleep, can signal deficiencies in iron, vitamin B12, or magnesium. These nutrients are crucial for carrying oxygen in your blood and producing energy. 2. Brittle hair and nails. If your hair breaks easily or your nails crack and peel often, you might be low in biotin, zinc, or iron. These vitamins and minerals support strong, healthy hair and nails. 3. Frequent mouth ulcers or cracks at the corners of lips. Painful sores in the mouth or split corners of the lips can be linked to deficiencies in iron, zinc, and B vitamins such as riboflavin and B12. 4. Poor night vision. Struggling to see clearly in low light or experiencing dry eyes may indicate low vitamin A, which is essential for healthy eyesight. 5. Muscle cramps and tingling. Random cramps, especially at night, or tingling sensations in the hands and feet can be a sign of magnesium, calcium, or potassium deficiency. 6. Pale or yellowing skin. Skin that appears unusually pale may indicate low iron or vitamin B12. A yellowish tone could be linked to low folate or vitamin B12 as well. 7. Frequent infections or slow healing wounds. If you keep catching colds or your cuts take too long to heal, it might be due to low vitamin C, zinc, or vitamin D. These nutrients are essential for a strong immune system. 8. Bone pain or weakness. Persistent bone pain, aching joints, or weak bones can be a sign of low vitamin D, calcium, or magnesium. These nutrients help maintain strong bone density. 9. Hair loss and skin problems. Excessive hair loss or skin issues like rashes, dryness, or acne may point to deficiencies in zinc, essential fatty acids, or vitamins A, E, and D. 10. Mood changes and poor concentration. Irritability, anxiety, or difficulty focusing can be linked to deficiencies in B vitamins, vitamin D, or omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients play a big role in brain health and mood regulation. Your body speaks through these signs, and paying attention can help you take action before small deficiencies turn into big problems. Eating a balanced diet rich in colorful fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats is the best way to cover your nutritional needs. If symptoms persist, consult a healthcare professional to check your nutrient levels. Stay tuned for more health tips that help you live stronger, healthier, and more energized every day.